All right, folks. Carlito's Way NH is back. We got a little like side quest video going on here. This is Thompson Falls, and I've never heard of Thompson Falls before, but it was very dimly marked. Not dimly marked. There's not a neon sign out there, but yeah, it's kind of off the beaten path here. Wasn't too much about it online, but I'm out here, and this looks like I'm some type of northeastern rainforest here. Check this out. Like, damn. Everything's all nice and damp. And moist. A lot of people love that word, moist. Look at this. Up here, see? Newbie stuff here. Look at that nice moist leaf. That yeah. Yeah, it said falls here where I 0.2 miles. I was like, that is total that is hey dude hiking material right there. We're doing easy stuff today, easy peasy. And looks like Mother Nature might have threw a lightning dart right over here. Bam! Down. No, no, she just did. Thought the lightning dart story would have been cooler, but no, she's just it's a rotten, soggy log here. But yeah, wow, this is don't really need the sunglasses here. Wow, this is quite pretty. All right. So, yeah, you get the point now. Trail's pretty cool. I will I'm gonna save a little battery life here. Learned from the other day. Shut the battery down here. Save a little bit of juice, and actually. Nah, this is pretty cool. Here, look at this. Look at this stuff. It's over here. This is a side quest on a side quest. Oh yeah. Let's keep going. All right. Quick side quest on a side quest. That wasn't much. That was a dud. It was a Dudley right there. Man, this is cool. Love these they're like lily pads on the land. Call them land pads, the landing pads. Bam. Slap that pad. All right, let's see here. Look at this. This is the root of something right there. Root of all roots. All right here. I'll actually touch base with you in a little bit once we get up further here. We'll talk through that battery saving thing. See you folks shortly. Don't go anywhere. All right, here. We ain't at the falls yet. I keep doing this. I'm like, touch base when we get there, but like, man, it's just, wow, it's just so nice. Very cool spot here. I suppose if you went off trail, it's pretty thick. Probably get turned around in there somewhat easily. And oh baby, are you seeing what I'm seeing? See, look at that. Right there. All right, we're getting there. Whoa. Bugs are like, what do you mean we're getting there, bro? We are here. We're waiting for you. I've been out here doing this. I ain't making any money yet, but I'm a YouTuber now. And I ain't got no bug spray. I've been coming out here. Look at those dual stick wielding big bag of granola packing hiker dudes. They So I bet they had bug spray. Without a doubt, no questions asked. They had definitely had bug spray. But, oh man, all right. Look at this. Wowzers. Oh! Gotta pick up my feet. Feet, street. Oh, baby! Look at this honey hole. Wow. That's what we do. Carlito's Way, NH. We find bangers. Waterhole bangers. Bam. Oh, look at this. This is quite terrain. Oh. Thompson Falls, baby. Look at you. Holy smokes. You're beautiful. Wow. You are so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, could actually do some swim dimming in here. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. All right, look at that. Woo! Yeah. All right. Wow. Look at this. We did it again. Dude, like, within like 150 square mile area, there is so much stuff. Like, when I started doing this, I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna run out of places to go and see. Bull-oney, bull snap. It's not true. It's a lie. I don't think I'll be able to conquer everything. I mean, we will eventually. Eventually, we're gonna have to start hopping on planes and doing stuff. But man, there's so much stuff here to do. So I'm gonna go head up the top there. See you guys shortly. All right, so we're gonna see if we can go around to the top here real quick without dying ourselves with our getting A-dudes on. All right. Woo. Woo, woo. Oh, I just grabbed onto that thing and it gave me a cold, unexpected trickle. All right, here. Wow, this is good. Ooh, look at that. Oh, all right, now here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. All right. Wow, yeah, this is... Yeah, actually, you know, the old hey dude's gripping pretty good right here. All right, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, these things are actually proper. Ooh. All right. All right, here we go. Old Thompson Falls. Oh. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right. You're not thinking, buddy. Oh, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh! I wouldn't want to go that way. That'd be the last that way I went. That would hurt. Oh, ka-tonk, ka-tonk, tonk, tonk. All right, here. Well, so that was just a quick little side quest video here. Sometimes these ones turn out pretty good, the old unexpected ones. Like, I was not planning on coming here, just saw the sign and banged a Larry real quick, and actually that's a Roger, and yeah, we're here. So now we're gonna go move on to one of the planned spots here. I'm gonna keep it a secret. I'll see you on the next episode here. You don't gotta go home, but you certainly probably shouldn't stay here any longer than I am. The bugs are brutal. So see you on the next one, people. We out.